Please allow me. Because I don't get rest. I don't get rest. Because uNkulunkulu is izinto eziningi. But when I phone you, know that there is something that God has put in you, and there is something that you must come in. What a teacher. Not a preacher, but a teacher. May the good God do you well, Helena. May the good God protect you and keep you for us. Omubi angithindi. Omubi angasoli. Angajobhi nalo uNkulunkulu ajayele. Nabazalwane singazinyazi. Sonke njengoba sihleli la. Sonke njengoba sihleli la sikhathi sinye. Sikusebenzisele uNkulunkulu asikhathi sinye.